If you have just exported your video from CapCut but you are experiencing a sound delay, then let me show you how you can fix it. Now the first thing you need to do is to upload your video that you have just downloaded, and from here click on the video. Then scroll down until you see an option that can help us to extract the audio. And here it is, extract audio. So go ahead and tap on it to extract the audio. And now you can see our audio has been extracted from the video. Now we have to determine the length of delay. For instance, if the delay is 1 second, you can see it is matched by this dot. If it is 2 seconds, it is matched by this. If it is 3, it is matched by this dot. So go ahead and place the video or the cursor where we have the delay. For instance, it is here, and we want now to remove this part. And now go ahead and tap on the audio and then split it. Once it is split, now select the first part, which is this, and then go ahead and delete it. Now finally, go ahead and align your audio with your video. And now when you go ahead and play your video, now you'll find your video has been aligned with the audio. So that's how you fix audio delay on your video in CapCut. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.